Hey, right. Well, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all fine on this Wednesday, the 7th of June, 2023. I'm here to bring us all a look at the weather for Southeast England for the next 24 hours. Well, no change compared to yesterday. We've still got this lovely area of high pressure that's just sitting to the north of the UK, keeping us essentially dry. But down here across the southeast of England, we've still got this nagging northeasterly breeze. And for those that are fed up with it, unfortunately, we've got to put up with this for another couple of days, but by Friday evening, it will die down, and then we look towards the south for some thundery showers over the weekend, but in much warmer temperatures. I'll be coming on to that forecast later on today. So back to the here and now. This is the satellite imagery. It is a rather cloudy picture out there again this morning. Lots of low stratus has moved in off the North Sea overnight, but there are some clearer skies around. And if we head down towards Brighton this morning, again to the south of the Downs where you've got some shelter from those hills, it is another dry, fine and sunny start. And it's the same here in Folkestone. We're just to the south of the Downs here, and also we're experiencing some sunshine, but it isn't very warm out there at the moment. Temperatures are no higher than 13 degrees. The highest that I can see is at Jersey Airport this morning, with other stations particularly in the southeast of England, but dotted all over the place, currently between around about 11 and 12.5 degrees. Right, we'll now come back to those winds because they are blowing in off the North Sea, and I'm going to put the gusts on. So if you're to the west of London, yeah, you've got the breeze, and I expect you're thinking, well, what is all the fuss about? But if you do live over East Kent, some of these gusts are quite pokey, 30-mile-an-hour gusts here in Folkestone, and many parts of the north and east Kent coast have been experiencing these breezes, and really that's the case that is going to remain all day and into tonight, and as I've mentioned, into Thursday and for the best part of Friday. So yeah, bear with us. Things will slowly improve. And talking of improvements, we'll start off now by looking at the weather symbols for today. So it's this is the forecast for 8 o'clock this morning. The best of the sunshine at this stage reserved for the south coast, but give it some time, move it forward to 9 o'clock. Then clouds will start to thin and break. By 10 o'clock, this cloud will be burnt back to the east coast. And by around about 1 o'clock this afternoon, all of us will be in the sunshine, save for perhaps a little bit of cloud just close to those eastern coasts. But I think even by late afternoon, that would have all gone, and it will be a dry, clear and sunny day. Now, it is breezy, as I've mentioned, and those temperatures will be somewhat suppressed, but that sun is very, very strong. UV levels of 8, you will burn very, very quickly, so don't get fooled by that coolish breeze. In terms of temperatures, so here we are at the moment, temperatures typically around about 11 degrees. They're going to peak today at around about 21 or 22 degrees to the west of London, and again down towards the south coast, perhaps Bognor Regis, Chichester, one of the hot spots today. And that's it really in summary. If we take a look at the temperatures tonight, they drop back to around about sort of 10 or 11 degrees. So all in all, a dry day, a fine day after that early cloud has cleared. Some good strong spells of sunshine, but that northeasterly breeze will be persisting, keeping temperatures pegged back to around 15 on the coasts, but as high as 21 degrees to the west and to the south of London, where you may, as I've mentioned, see a nice cheeky 22 or 23. I'll be back later on this evening or later on this afternoon to have a look at that weekend and that thundery potential. But in the meantime, all have a lovely day. Look after yourselves and ciao for now.